Tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping your floors? What if you could cut your cleaning time in half without lifting a finger? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the Roborock Qrevo Edge claims to do just that. This smart little cleaning machine packs a punch with 18,500 PA suction power, a self-emptying dustbin, and even a hot water mop washing system. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. All right, let's dive in. First up, the suction power. And let me tell you, 18,500 PA is no joke. This thing practically inhales dust, pet hair, and crumbs. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, or carpet, it's designed to clean every surface with ease. Now, one of my favorite features? The FlexiArm Arc Side Brush. If you've ever used a robot vacuum before, you know that corners and edges can be a nightmare. But this brush actually reaches into those tricky spots, so you're not left with dust bunnies hanging out in the corners. Plus, it's tangle-free, so no more stopping to pull out a clump of hair or string. But wait, it gets better. The Qrevo Edge isn't just a vacuum, it's also a mop. And not just any mop. It has a 17mm mop lifting feature, which means it knows when to lift the mop off carpets and when to put it down on hard floors. No wet carpets, no extra work. It's completely automatic. And let's talk hygiene for a sec. You know how mopping can get kinda gross after a while? Well, this robot actually washes its mop with hot water and dries it between uses. No nasty, smelly mop sitting around. Just a fresh clean every time. Now, one of the biggest game changers? The self-emptying dustbin. After each cleaning session, the robot empties itself into its dock, so you don't have to do it manually every day. Less maintenance, more cleaning. Exactly what we want in a smart home device. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First off, it's a little on the heavy side. At 25.485 pounds, it's not exactly something you'll want to carry up and down the stairs all the time. And then there's the price. It's definitely on the premium side. If you're on a budget, it might not be the easiest purchase, but if you want top-tier cleaning with less effort, it could be totally worth it. So, how does it stack up against other robot vacuums and mops? Honestly, while a lot of models do either vacuuming or mopping well, the Roborock Qrevo Edge does both, and does them really well. Features like self-emptying, hot water mop washing, and the adaptive chassis put it a step above most of the competition. Bottom line, if you're looking for a cleaning robot that actually makes life easier, the Roborock Qrevo Edge is a solid choice. It's powerful, smart, and cuts down on the time you spend cleaning. So, what do you think? Is this the cleaning upgrade you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.